Hi guys, it's Mariana and welcome back to a new video. I'm apologizing first for the light because I know it's a bit distracting with my glasses, but your girl needs a light and I need to see. And yeah, and if you hear thunder or raining, it's because it's raining because Florida has decided to rain for like ever. So whatever. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I am doing my favorite products from the past 6 months of my ipsy bags. I've been getting ipsy for about 8 months, and there's obviously some products that are a hit or miss. This is me going more into depth with my favorite products because I have been posting videos for the past 6 months, or 7 months actually. My ipsy bags and my first impressions. This is like my favorites from those bags. Let's just get started. Okay, so the first bag we had was our January bag. This is what it looked like. And out of the 5 products I got, I genuinely am in love with like 4 of the products. So the first thing I became like obsessed with pretty quickly because your girl does eyeliner is the Fierce Flicks by Sea at London. It's obviously like very worn out, and I accidentally like freaking forgot the top on, and now it's like completely dry, which is super upsetting. But this was such a good eyeliner. You put it on and it stays on all day no matter what. It was very strong and intense, and I freaking loved this eyeliner, and I was so upset when I like lost the cap. But I used this religiously for like a long time before I went back to my old eyeliner. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna buy this again because this one was great. The second product that I got that I've been obsessed with is actually, I'm wearing it. It's this velvet liquid lipstick, and it's by Ola Neon. This is the packaging, and I ripped up the top because I was struggling to open this effort. Okay, and this is, yes, and this is what it looks like that. It's in the color DF, and it's flipping gorgeous, as you can tell. One thing that I don't like about it is that I usually don't have problems with like lipsticks or any lip products going onto my teeth, but every time I use this one I kind of have to like blot it just so it doesn't happen. And that's the only thing I have to say bad about it. But other than that, it's beautiful. You put it on and it's matte, which I love, and it's just has a nice finish to it. It's just really amazing, and I really loved this product. The third product from that month, I don't think I have the box anymore, but it is this Punk Volumizer by Douce. I don't know what the fuck this is, but anyways, it is a stunning like mascara, and it's very small, but it's like this, and the bristles are like really like there, and I love it. And one of the things that I love about it is that, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but like when you close it, there's like a clicking sound, so you know you're actually closing it, which I definitely appreciate. And this really does wonders to my eyelashes, and I'm very thankful for it. I loved it. It's very small and it's cute, and it's a very good one. The fourth product that I was obsessed with for the January bag was something I started wearing recently, and because I completely forgot about it. I'm sorry if y'all can hear the rain, but it's gonna add to the effects now. But anyway, I started using recently because I was like, I'm gonna do this video, so I need to really try out all the products. And it's this Caviar CC Cream 10-in-1 Complete Correction Leave-In Hair Perfector. I've been using this. This smells like lemon, and it's not like a really like disgusting lemon scent, but it smells great. And what I do is, after I take my hair out of the towel, when I wash it, I brush it out, I put a little in my hand, and I put it around my hair when I start blow drying it, and at the end I put more in my hair, focusing more on the tips, and it makes my hair look amazing, and I feel like it actually does something. So it's really great, and there's like barely any left because I've been using it quite a bit for the past like month. So I really love that. So for our February bag, this beautiful bag right here, it was one of my favorite looking bags, but it had the least amount of products that I was obsessed with. So the only thing that I was really obsessed with and have been using consistently was the Estate highlighter. in Do Me Afterglow, and my freaking dog broke it and like ate it, but so this is why it looks like this. But you put this on and it's freaking gorgeous. I got 2 highlighters from the past 6 months, and this one was by far my favorite. I loved it. It was very pretty, and I don't know, like I'm very excited about highlighters, and this one was definitely like great. I loved it. That was it for February. For the month of March, it was this bag, and I got 2 things that I was absolutely obsessed with out of the 5, and one of those was, oh my god, I cannot explain to you how good this is. Okay, it is the Gold Fatten MD Facial Detox Clarify and Clear Mask, and it's for oily to acne prone skin. Y'all don't need to look at my skin right now, but that's not the point. This is so good. I've used it like once or something, and it literally cleared out. I don't know, I completely forgot about it until recently, but I need to use it again because this was great. I somehow still have about half the bottle, so I can use it again. Cleared my skin, to be honest, and I freaking loved it. This was a great product to have. The rain is just getting harder, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. For my March bag, when I got it, I was very much obsessed with this one product, and I stayed obsessed with it. So it was this brush. I know nothing about this brush. I know that I use it for highlighter. There's a little cap to it, which I enjoy. It is very soft, and it's really pretty. It's like mermaid-esque. Oh, it's by, oh, what does that say? Moda, RL Moda. And it's a fan brush. But yeah, I've been using this to put this highlighter on, slow, and it looks pretty amazing, and I freaking love it. So I'm still obsessed with this. Nothing's changed. Okay, so for the month of April, it was this butterfly bag. I'm so sorry it's raining. I can't control Mother Nature. This bag was very pretty. This bag was a freaking, oh, a holy grail. It was great. It was just as amazing as like the January bag. Out of the 5 products, I became obsessed with 4, so that says a lot. So the first thing is the Luna eyeshadow. Looks like that. It's in the shade Spiced Pumpkin, and I've been using this with my eyes whenever I go out, and it does such a beautiful tone to it. I used it on my birthday, and it was great. Everyone was like, oh my god, I love your makeup, and I was like, bitch, thanks, including my highlighter, which I wore. This was great. I freaking loved this eyeshadow. It is a very like shimmery, and it's great for going out, and I just loved it. It was great product. So with that, I used this Firma Beauty I think it's for eyeshadow brush. I used this. There's still a little bit of remnants of when I used this eyeshadow, but beautiful, stunning. I used this brush for my eyeshadow. I very much love brushes. I want more brushes in my Ipsy bags. Ipsy, if you're watching. But this one is great. I freaking loved it. Not much to say. I don't know anything about brushes, but it's very soft. It's very good, and I use it. These were like my favorites, like by far, I think, of the entire year so far. I think. Rain, please chill out. So the first thing, it was the Purlisse Coconut Oil and Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. I need to smell this again because it smells amazing. It smells like coffee, and I don't drink coffee. I don't like coffee, and I freaking am obsessed with this. Let me tell y'all something. I used this, I think the day I filmed that video, I went into the shower and scrubbed it, and holy fucking balls, my skin felt so soft. I don't ever use a body scrub, so I don't know if that was like the entire, like, if that's what every body scrub does, as long as, like, with everything. But this was fan-flippin-tastic. It made my skin feel soft for literally the entire day. I just kept feeling my skin, and it just was freaking amazing. I used it about twice or 3 times before it absolutely ended. It is like deflated because I tried to use it as much as freaking possible, and it was great. This was a great product. I'm genuinely probably gonna buy this. There's like a few things that I would buy off of ipsy because of the products that I've gotten, and this is one of them. It was like an exfoliator. Amazing. My skin was like, girl, what you doing? I was like, you're welcome. And then comes this. This is the Bio Erase Pore Tightening Pearl Clay Mask. Looks like that. Wow. It is completely empty because it was one of the best products ever for my skin. I put it on and it dried up, and it, like, if you moved your face, it fucking hurt. I used it about 3 times. One of them was with my brother, one of them was with my mom. I think I used it twice with my brother, actually, and with my mom. And it did beautiful things to my skin. Like, my nose had a whole bunch of blackheads and it just brought them out, cleared it out. My skin was freaking stunning. So with the combination of this clay mask and the Pearlise body scrub, my skin was like, girl, we need more of this. And I was like, I'm sorry, I don't treat you the way I should, but it was fantastic. I freaking loved it. Amazing, amazing. A+. You did good. So for May, this was the bag. I think this is probably my favorite bag. I could be biased because it's my birthday month, but it's one of my favorite bags because it looks gorgeous and I just want to travel the world. And this makes me want to do that. So the 3 products that I used that were my favorites out of the May was this Tarte Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. I remember when I got this, I was very confused by it because I'll open it for you. There's a lot of powder in there. I'm not going to show you. But there's like 2 little holes and I was like, am I supposed to take this out? I didn't know. I was very confused. This does amazing because I have kind of like oily skin. So if I'm ever at home or whatever and I just don't want to put on like my powder foundation, put a little bit of this and it just like finishes up. I use this on my mom as well because she does the liquid foundations, and she was like, wow, it made her skin look not oily, and that was great. Tarte, you done good. One of the other things was the Koki Professional Nail Polish. Looks like that, but it's such a cute friggin' bottle and I loved it so much. This is in the color Fresh Picked. It's like that. It's like a baby pink. And there's like an elephant on the bottle. It's just real cute. Like, the bottle is cute. It matches my shirt. Oh, I should have been wearing it. I fucked up. I'm sorry. I don't really wear a nail polish because I usually don't have like the time or patience for it. But after I put out that video, I wore it in my next video. I think it was like showing my birthday like presents or something. It was one of the videos I posted in May, and I was using it because it's that amazing. It lasted a lot longer than I thought it would, because that's also one of the reasons I don't usually wear nail polish. And one of the things that I loved about it is that at my job I can't wear like really intense colored nails, and I could wear this because it's like a neutral baby pink. So this was great for me. I was really happy I could use it. So I love that. One of the next things I got was my Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. I already used it, but I just kept the packaging. This one was so good to my skin. It was so pretty. I didn't even take a picture of it, but it literally, like, the color, it's like a rose gold mask. So the color was pretty. It did good to my skin. Felt very fabulous and amazing. So I loved that. But I really did enjoy this mask a lot. So the last products I'm going to talk about are from June. This was my June bag. It was very Pride Month-esque, so I got it yellow. 3 things that I was obsessed with. First of all was this Pore Professional by Benefit. It is super tiny. But anyways, I put this under my powder foundation. Girl, let me tell you something. This shit did wonders. Like, I could have put it on today to like cover up some of the things that I obviously need to. But this was great. I used it quite a bit, and I remember like the first day I was like, Yo, your girl's a makeup guru. Like, I was so proud. I was so happy. It looked great. The next thing was my Ofra Cosmetic Laboratories in Blush Melon. This is a blush, but it's a really intense color for a blush. Like that. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't use this as a blush. I think this is too much of an intense color and it's very easy to overdo it. I use this as an eyeshadow and girl, it looked so great. I freaking loved it. This was great. I loved this. This was beautiful, stunning, fan-for-lip-tastic. Okay, and then the last thing I'm gonna talk about is my Pacifica Tomboy Vibe Natural Mineral eyeshadow, 100% vegan and cruelty-free. These were the shades that I came in. I've obviously used it. Stunning, absolutely stunning. This eyeshadow palette was so good. I used it with this brush. This eyeshadow palette really did amazing to me. All of the colors are actually really fantastic. The only one that I don't like that much is like the green color, because I just feel like it's too much of a mossy green for me. But yeah, other than that, this eyeshadow palette was, can't put it back in, there you go, was amazing. So, yeah, these are my favorite products from the past 6 months of Ipsy. I will most likely do this at the end of the year, so you guys can see more. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people of the internet next time.